The Photobacks Festive Fall and Thanksgiving Pack comes with so many different templates and backgrounds to create the most amazing and elegant images, fully detailed and so easy to use. Let me jump into Photoshop here and show you exactly how. To start, I'll open up one of the templates here that I've downloaded to my computer. And very easily, we click on our purple layer and then use the Photobacks Control plugin to click Add Photo, and then double click the photo we want to use, and our photo goes right in. You can see the photo stays inside of the template, and with these amazing templates, the photo stays right behind those leaves overlaying your image. Once you get the photo exactly where you want, you can double click, it comes in as a smart object, and we can still move it and place it exactly where we want without losing quality. The best part about using Photobacks is that you're working with high quality images right inside of Photoshop that you can edit any way you want, as well as print at any lab and they'll look beautiful, or share your images online. Plus, because you're not limited and you're working in Photoshop, you can use tools in Photoshop like the new generative expand, and you can make these templates or backgrounds any size you want. Let me show you another template, and we'll double click and open it right inside of Photoshop. Same thing, click Add Photo to Template, and then double click the image you want to use. You can create such amazing images in seconds so easily. And even if your photos don't fit perfectly to the template, another advantage of Photobacks in Photoshop is we can create a copy of that image so we don't hurt the original, make a selection of the area that didn't fill, and then just say fill in Photobacks Control. And you don't even need the newest version of Photoshop to do that. Same thing with the background. You can still use content aware fill on the background layer, and you can expand this in any way you like to get amazing results. Again, this is one of the advantages of working with Photobacks, is that everything is customizable. Even if your photo wasn't shot perfectly for the template, we can make it work and it looks amazing. Now I'm going to open up some of the backgrounds that are included. Again, there are 60 and they are so beautiful. You can take any one of these backgrounds. Let's say you're making a recipe you want to post online. So we open up this background, let's expand it a bit with our crop tool and content aware fill. We'll come over here to our type tool, and then we'll just type in what we want to say. You can then position the text and just use this as a beautiful background for your social media post, or maybe a page in a recipe book. Likewise, we can create invitations, we can create announcements, just type here anything you want. And we even have a font that's included that looks absolutely beautiful. Again, share this online, print this at any lab, all works beautifully. Again, there are so many backgrounds you can use for so many different projects. You can even add your photos to these just like this. Double click any image you want to use. I'll resize it, rotate it, and place it where I want right on this background. And then I can add a drop shadow. Double click the image layer, say drop shadow, and make it look like that image is really there. So don't miss out, take advantage of this amazing collection from Photobacks, and everybody, your clients, family, and friends will absolutely love the work you create. Download now.